Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Wanted to do a full update. I think there's a little bit of a more clear structure in the markets right now, so that's what I wanted to talk about with you in this video. I'll give you my thoughts on what's happening right now, and what to expect just in general. We'll mainly talk about technicals. Maybe I'll doing some fundamentals. I mean, obviously my fundamental thoughts on the direction of the market are already included. But yeah, so that's what we'll talk about in this in this video. Now, before we dive into that, as you can see from the top as well, I am a full-time trader. I have my own signal group. If you are interested in receiving some daily trading signals and also some profitable signals, then consider joining. Check out the links there or go to cilinix.com. And there you can find out more. But now to Solana. So there's something interesting you can see right here. And that's, we have to start with a bit of fundamentals, because something we've already seen with Solana for the last, I'm not sure, but for the last couple of weeks, is that there's actually quite a lot of volume coming from exchanges which are not ideal. Like quite a bit from SuperX, quite a lot from BYBIT and some other smaller exchanges. Usually that's a sign of manipulation. And we're not even seeing all of the volume right here, so it's actually, I think, better to check that out on CoinGecko as well. But also, I mean, in terms of price, I mean, a move like this, it just looks quite manipulated. All right, let's see if we can actually see some more volume here. No, not really. This is missing volume sources as well, because this definitely doesn't add up to 100%. But yeah, so that's what we've seen, and then you can also see in terms of the price that you have moves like this, where in a matter of 5 minutes, about $25 million worth of Solana is transacted / sold. So altogether, that's kind of in the price. So then you always have to be a little bit more careful about what's going on. If we take a look at normal price structure right here, what you'll see is that in general, we've actually, after hitting that top around $30, we have started a bit of a downtrend, a bit of a reversal. Like the EMAs are now on top of the price. We just found support at the 100 EMA, but it does look like we'll find some more resistance here between $25.5 and $26. And that from there, we will actually continue dropping down towards this level right here at $22.5 and $23, which is our first significant support level. It's historically, it's a very strong support level, as you can see. And it's also supported by the 200 EMA down here. So that is what will happen. I think we will, like, there's a small chance that we will invalidate that by breaking above $26 right now. It's a possibility, because it's a possibility that Bitcoin will become that bullish over the course of today. But I think the most likely scenario is that doesn't happen, and that in the end we might spike up, but that in general the direction is down to this level right here at $23. Now from there it gets interesting, all right, because we will find support at $23, but how much support we will get from that level will dictate what's going to happen next, right? So we'll drop down to that level, and then from there, and you could also see this as some sort of an impulse wave theory, right? So that there's, let me actually check that out, like that we started right here, first, third, and then fifth down to that level. So I do think, like, overall, and that's mainly because of this structure that we're seeing right now, but also because of Solana being a bit manipulated. I think the most likely scenarios is that we'll drop down towards 23 and 22.5. That from there we'll get sort of an ABC correction up to $25.5 and $25. It's a possibility. And then from there, on the longer term, so there will definitely still be analysis before that, I think we'll actually continue down to this level right here at $20. Overall, that looks like the most likely scenario. The one thing, like, we could consolidate on top of $23 a bit longer, like I said, if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish. And in that sense, we could also still turn bullish. But the main thing we need to do for that, in order for this to be invalidated, is break above $26 and then hold it as support. So is that a possibility? Yes, but at this point of time, I don't think that's the most likely scenario. I think a scenario like this is more likely. But that's my take on Solana. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.